5 of the accused in the clashes at Delhi's Jahangirpuri on Saturday have been charged under the Strict National Security Act or NSA, which allows detention for up to a year without any charge. Ansar, who is the main accused, is among those who face charges under the NSA. The others are Salim, Imam Sheikh or Sonu, Dilshad and Ahir. On Monday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah had dialed Delhi Police Commissioner Rakesh Asthana and had called for strict action against those responsible for the violence in northwest Delhi 2 days ago, in which many, including policemen, were injured. 24 people, including 3 juveniles, have been arrested till now. Of them, 5 have been charged under the tough anti-terror law that empowers the government to detain people for months if the authorities are satisfied that they are a threat to national security or to prevent them from disrupting public order. In an apparent reference to the February 2020 Delhi riots, a senior official from the Home Ministry said, and I quote, "The Home Minister was very categorical and asked Delhi Police not to make any mistake while probing the matter." The Delhi Police had been heavily criticized over alleged gaps in its investigation. The Saturday clashes erupted during a Hanuman Jayanti procession that was taken out without permission. As the procession with people holding up saffron flags passed by a mosque, the loud volume of religious chants clashed with the azan or Muslim call to prayers. This triggered an argument between the two groups. The police registered a case under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code, which is bailable. Delhi Police Commissioner Rakesh Asthana said a search is on for all the accused and action would be taken against any person found guilty, irrespective of their class, creed, community and religion. 3 homegrown pistols and 5 swords were seized from those arrested so far. Senior police officer Dipender Pathak said 8 of those arrested are Hindus and the rest are Muslims.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.